In today's video, I'm taking you through the complete process of creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Let's get started with our first thumbnail. Open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click the attachment button to upload your reference thumbnail. Write this in description. Select and copy output prompt. Go to FreePic. Click to the AI-generated image section. Paste the prompt you copied earlier. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and click Generate. Repeat the generation process a few times to find the perfect image. Once satisfied, download your image. Import the downloaded image into Photoshop. Adjust the lighting to enhance the visual appeal if needed. Add text to the thumbnail. Apply gradients to make the text pop. Perform any final tweaks, merge all layers, and export your completed thumbnail. Getting to our second thumbnail. Search for Leonardo AI online. Click Get Started. Click Image Creation. Paste prompt. Select the Leonardo Phoenix preset. Generate your image. Download it once satisfied. Search for Remarker AI. Click on this link. Upload the generated thumbnail in your face. Click Swap. Download your final thumbnail.